the rainfall will increase, the typhoons will become stronger, the wind will become stronger, and it will dump heavier rains that will create bigger floods and more widespread rainfall-triggered landslides.
Energy efficient and inclusive infrastructure, and we are here to help you to provide quality of life through the provision of water of quality.
So instead of applying generic solutions, we can design interventions that actually work with the river and fit the river.
And what really drives me also is the quote that I've learned from the same school, ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. The famous quote of JFK, I'm sure you've heard that in the past. What really amazes me about Cebu is their desire to contribute, just like the rest of you here this afternoon. And also another amazing thing, despite the earthquake, the Pino, and all the crisis that the present crisis now, ang atong economy grew by 3.7%. We at the provincial capital, we believe that good governance starts from listening with the people.